Good evening! Napatambay tayo ngayon dito sa Provincial Capitol Grounds ng Pangasinan ngayong gabi. So just checking kung ano na yung mga decorations na natapos nila. So far, they're finishing the Christmas tree. They're putting on the Christmas lights. At so far, nangangalahati na sila. So napansin natin na naglagay na sila ng stage, kind of a runway platform dito sa harap ng Capitol Building. Kaya tinanong na rin natin yung empleyado ng Kapitolyo. And according to her, the grand launching of the decorations, the lighting of Christmas tree, will be sa November 29 at 5 p.m. So that's Friday. So, kung gusto nyo mag-relax, mag-unwind, punta lang kayo dito sa Provincial Capitol because it's a good place to do that. That's all for now. Bye.